Alright guys, you hear that thunder? It's starting to make its way towards Florida. Fucking Hellene, here she comes. Yes, it's not a direct hit this time where we're at, but it's still not gonna be pretty. Wind's already picking up. You can see all the outer bands. You can see that dark blue. It's creeping. She's a coming with attitude. So we'll see if my nerves get the best of me, or if I can get back out here when it really starts cranking and get you guys a really cool video, because you guys don't seem to be liking the paranormal shit much anymore. So see what I can do. Alright guys, so just kind of giving you a cloud shot right now. This is the second band wave that's coming through right now. I just thought those clouds were pretty cool. We get really cool clouds here, guys. Alright, so stay tuned. Round 3 to come. Alright guys, so it is Thursday morning, and this is the wind has picked up, as you can see from the first part of this video. We even have some tree debris a little bit, but you can see wind's picked up. We even have some tree debris in yards already. Even though we're not going to get this full brunt of this storm, we are going to get up to 60-mile-an-hour gust at times, and a 60-mile-an-hour gust can do a lot of damage. We don't have to have a full-on eye, so we're gonna see how it goes. I will keep you updated, guys, as the day progresses. Every summer. We got tree branches that's going down.
Might have to talk a little louder than that. It's pretty loud out here.
Yeah, we got tree branches that came down already. Right?
Yeah, I did. I got it.
Alright guys, so it is an hour away from 2 o'clock when this thing is supposed to start becoming a 4 and moving. So with that, our winds have started to really pick up now, as you can hear and see. Now it's on until tomorrow morning. She is here. And she's going to be a beast. Here it is. I'm going to bring you outside in it so you can get an even better of the wind. It's crazy. Here comes another good gust. Here it comes. We had one go through here a little bit ago. It was so strong it sounded like a hurricane. Hey! Hurricane, yeah. My unfavorite H word in the dictionary. It's cool to see all the clouds moving though like they are. You can just see how they're moving. There it comes. Yeah, them winds are really picking up now, guys, man. They're getting super strong at times. It's crazy. Here comes another good gust. I'm hoping my neighbor's metal fence here stays intact. Because see, in Florida, it doesn't take much wind to destroy something. That's how strong our storm winds get here on an everyday afternoon storm. So tropical storm winds are kind of normal to us a little bit. But hurricanes, no. Whoa, my phone almost just flew out of my hand. Holy shit. Look at my poor trees. I'm hoping they don't snap. Woo! It is windy out. Something I've grown to hate. Alright guys, so if you liked the video, you already know what to do. Catch you later.